Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to get the ultra rare monster, the Ghast. So this monster is an ultra rare because it is a one element monster which is not encountered on the plant island. So how you get it? All of this needs to encounter the end brat. So it's the end brat and the whatever free element monster. So it can be the end brat, this big guy right here, the 4 element monster, and one of these free element monsters. So it can be the end brat and just a sec, I'm gonna show you the end brat and the pummel, the crumble, the boggart, or the T-Rox. So you have a really small chance. It's 99% of the people don't get the monster, but there's 1% which will get it. So if you got the 1%, you are very lucky. This was a short video how to get the Ghast. I hope you guys enjoyed on this small video, and I see you guys next time. Bye bye.